Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh mentakas ngi ar poetry kluber ar hajar ar pusan kalapenlong ya ka second annual science exhibition kabalong kom shibenta ban Rakhe ya ka National Science Day ha kablai shimbenta shidrehem da ki samla puli jong ka class 10 ya kane ka exhibition la pli da ka kong WK bla kabadai ka principal jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School ha ka jinge don lang ki no hikai jong kane ka school ka jingthmu jong kane ka annual science exhibition kalong man pensiluri ki samla pule ban prung jingmut ha ka jingpule ya ka science bat ban kantiu ya ka jingnang jing start haman la way pa way ukna pule
famous scientist which they thought that he's the dumbest one in the class.
We cannot do without him.
Yes.
National Science Day is especially it's made for us to be more aware or to create an awareness of the importance of science. And C.V. Raman is a physicist, and there's no better person to be a judge of this exhibition other than Sir One Sweat, a very experienced teacher, and he is a physics expert. Shall we give him a big round of applause? Thank you, sir, for coming over. And Sir Singh, let's give him a big round of applause for taking the, this lead to make you students be aware of this program. And Alpha School has science stream. We introduced, when we started the higher secondary in 2004, we started with science stream because we know the importance of science and how much science is important for the students' community to be aware of and to opt for science in their future career. And this is, we have the science stream, so among you students, we would like to encourage you and take interest, that much interest, so that you will take up science stream in the higher secondary, and then you have your teachers there whom you will learn. And we've got good results from the science stream every year. So this exhibition is especially to create that awareness and for you to be aware that science is really part of our life. If you cook rice, many of you boys and girls cook rice, that's also science. If you eat ice cream, that's also science. So you cannot imagine that everything in life, every activity in life is actually science related. Are you all with me? Yes? Are you all with this program? Yes. Pay attention, you learn. And I'm so happy that the school is able to organize this program, the second program, where you as students can, I wish all the other students will also can participate, but they'll be able to see the exhibit displayed here by the different student group. I could see that you students were very busy with the preparation of all this, and in the process of your preparing these models, I hope you had also learned not only of the importance of science, but learn to work together, because that's also very scientific, working together, how to, communicate with one another, how to help one another, and how to have that scientific mind, a scientific aptitude, so that you can grow as students and the future for your science career, whoever would go for it. And I'm sure by creating such awareness, we'll have more students taking more interest in taking up science stream in the future. All right, so we'd like to thank the teachers, the students, and the parents who have been supporting you. We are so happy that the school, from time to time, or every year, every time in fact, we had been able to send students to participate in the exhibition or science exhibition or any program that the district or the state organize, and you students have been able to be exposed to such program.